guys, welcome back to my channel. So we had a recent heat wave, and let me tell you, when you're getting hot flashes and stuff, heat waves are not fun. Don't get me wrong, I'm definitely a summer person, but 108-degree weather when you're having hot flashes, not my cup of tea. Anyways, it took me a couple days to film because it's been so hot. You can actually see the fan here in my window. I couldn't film without turning my fans off because you can hear them and they're too loud on my camera, and I don't have a mic or anything, and so there was no way to film without this droning sound going on in the background. So sorry about that. But with this intense heat wave, I ate a nectarine the other day. Nectarines are my favorite fruit, by the way. One of my favorite fruits next to raspberries. And I was playing around with the Natasha Denona palette, and some of these colors just scream like nectarine, because nectarine is so pretty with like the yellows, the pinks, the purples, the oranges, and so I'm going to be doing like a nectarine inspired look with this today. First, I'm going to be going in with my primer. I was supposed to have chemo yesterday, and it got moved because my white blood cell count was too low. So part of me was like kind of stoked to not have chemo yesterday because I just really wasn't feeling it. Not that I'm ever feeling it, but I like to feel more prepared for chemo, and I didn't feel prepared. So I'm kind of happy that I didn't have it because now I can prepare myself a little bit better for chemo. I like to make sure I have like all my food ready, all my clothes ready, everything ready, and I didn't have it all quite there yet. Also, I'm going to be trying out the new Anastasia foundation. I have a disclaimer, I am a whore for foundations and eyeshadows. Just going to take one pump of that. Man, I really didn't want to like this, but so far I've been really liking it. It is a little bit more full coverage. I will be applying that first with my brush. I only do one pump of this because I like to try and share it out, but man, this and the new Anastasia eye primer, I bought those and I don't regret it. But just going to kind of put that everywhere that I want it, buff it in a little bit. And then, like always, I'm gonna go with my sponge, really press that in. Also, now that my chemo session is moved to this coming Monday, I can now make sure I have everything set up for vlogging as well, because I've had a couple people ask me about it, so I will gladly do what I can and try to vlog as much of that experience as I can. This is also a really nice shade match for me. As usual, I'm taking a little bit of that Becca under eye concealer. Or corrector. And I'm just applying a very little bit of that. And I'm just going to tap it out with my sponge. Gonna be going in with my concealer, taking the Born This Way multi-concealer. I should have bought this, but I was so gung-ho about the foundation that I didn't. It's okay, I still have some more left. Try to use up that mini as long as I can. I'm going to go with my translucent powder, set that concealer. This foundation so far has been looking really nice too when I don't set it in my smile lines, which surprises me because that's always where I crease with foundations. So I'm going to keep trying it out though, and I'll let you guys know in the future, but I really like this foundation so far. I'm pleasantly very, very pleased with it. Alright, I'm gonna prime my eyes with the Anastasia, and then I kind of move it around with this first, distribute it. And then I like to go in with my sponge. And then I'm gonna do my eyebrows while the eye primer dries down. With the same brush, I'm going to dip into this morning shade, and I'm just going to lightly go a little bit above that to put some of that yellow into there. Because remember, nectarines are very pink and yellow, a little bit of orange, some red, dark purple. Basically all the colors of bruises. I'm really blowing it out with that yellow because it's so light, at least on my skin tone it is. Gonna go back in with that pink shade and kind of darken up that crease just a little bit. I'm going in with like this very dense packing brush, and I'm going in with the shade Glory. I'm going to carefully pick that up, and I'm going to pat it on first. I'm going to put this all over my lid. Up until the crease shade. I don't know why, but this color just reminds me of like when you eat the nectarines and you're getting close to the pit. Alright, now to blend out that harsh shade, I'm going back in with that Eco Tools brush, going in with that Morgan shade, and I'm just going to really run that through the crease. I don't want to blow out that Glory shade too much, just because I want to keep it onto my lid, but I do want to make that so the edge isn't so harsh. I'm going to take this dense brush and I'm going to dip into the shade Clove, and I'm going to press that right here on the outer kind of V of my eye and use this to really darken up that outer corner. Alright, this is the part where you're all gonna hate me. I want to try to incorporate as much of these colors as I can with the sparkles. So I'm gonna be using 4 different sparkly shades from the palette. First, I'm gonna be going in with Azalea, and I'm just going to pop that in the middle and closer to my inner corner. This gives us some of that orange. Next, I'm going to be going in with the shade Flux. Next, I'm going to be going in with the shade Awakening. And last but not least, with my ring finger, I'm going in with this shade Agate, which is a gold, and I'm going to press that mostly right here on the very middle. There we go. There's our nectarine eye. Going back in with that shade Morgan from earlier, I'm going to put this right underneath with this small pencil brush. I'm going to go in a little bit with that Glory shade and pop that right underneath. Going with that morning shade and then really try and buff it out. I'm gonna go in with the nude eyeliner pencil. This is the LA Girl in nude. Going with the shade Agate. I'm going to press that in right here to my inner corner. And then right here on my brow bone. Alright, and now I'm gonna go put on lashes and I'll be right back. Alright, the eyes are done. Maybe it's just me, maybe I'm just being crazy, but to me this just screams nectarines, and I love nectarines. It's like, it's almost making me hungry. To me, this just like screams nectarines. I don't know why, like it just, personally, I love it. I love this eye look. I might just wear it for chemo on Monday. Doubt it. Alright, I'm gonna bronze my face using my butter bronzer. I wonder if I can go to the farmer's market tomorrow and get myself some nectarine. Put some bronzer into your hairline so it doesn't look weird on camera. I'm gonna just take a little bit of that bronzer and just go right here across my face. Just so it looks a little bit more natural. Alright, I'm gonna go with the highlighter. I'm gonna use my sponge for this. I'm gonna go in with my Becca Moonstone and take the other side of this. Oh yeah, see, that's much better. Just a little bit right here, down my nose. I wanted to very much like glow from within, just because it is summertime. And even though it's like 1 in the morning, I'm gonna use the last of this Morphe setting spray that I have that I don't really like and set in my face. It's not that this is like, this and the Morphe sponge are like the only Morphe products I have. I don't hate this, but I feel like it doesn't do anything. I like the spray, but I also don't like using aerosol because I know it's super bad for the environment. But I bought this because it's on sale and everyone was raving about it, and I think it's just a very basic. If it works for you, it works for you. Cool, awesome, totally use it. But for me, I just... Alright, for the lip, I'm going to be going in with this lip liner that I don't know where I got it from. Ellen Tracy. There's not even a color, but anyways, I'm gonna line the outside of my lips. I'm going to be going in with 2 lip glosses today. I'm going to be going in with this one from Anastasia called Pink Tourmaline. And this other one, which is like a white gloss with like a gold pink reflect, called Pearl. And I'm just going to layer these because to me they're very nectarine-ish colors. God, these smell like vanilla bean. Love these lip glosses. Alright, and this is the finished look. You guys, I had one of the mini quads of the Natasha Denona palette, and I can't remember which one it was, but I loved it to death, and then I panned almost the whole thing, and then the little bit that I left broke. But ever since then, I haven't bought in another Natasha Denona palette anything because their big palettes are so expensive, and like I love the colors, but I don't like buying a palette that expensive when all of the colors don't scream to me. But for this palette, oh my gosh, like they just all so pretty and scream. I love this palette. I love this eye look. I think it's such a fun summery look. It definitely goes with the sunrise like theme too. I feel like it could fit in if you don't want to think of nectarines for your eyeshadow. But the thing that's also I really like about this look is that you could easily go in with like the darker colors that I use. Like you could easily go in with this clove shade right here, and you could easily like darken it up if you wanted to make it more fall time appropriate. So I feel like this is a good look where if you want to transition it, you could easily do it. I really like this eye look. I'm really liking this foundation. And yeah, that's all I have to say. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys like this eye look. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Comment down below what you want to see. I do have chemo on Monday, so I'm going to try my very best to vlog it as much as I can. If there's anything else you guys want to see, let me know. Bye guys!